In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a trifold brochure in Microsoft Word. A trifold brochure is a classic three-panel layout that folds neatly and is perfect for events, menus, services, or quick product overviews. The fastest way to build one in Word is to start from a professionally designed template, so that your panels, margins, and visual hierarchy are already dialed in. I'll walk you through finding the right template and getting set up, and I'll share helpful context so you know what to expect at each step. Begin by heading to the File menu in Word. You'll find it at the top left of the window. This is your gateway to starting new documents and exploring the full template library. Rather than opening a blank page and trying to construct panels by hand, we're going straight to templates, so the trifold structure is done for you. Next, choose More Templates. This opens the broader gallery beyond the few options on the home screen. The expanded library pulls in a wide range of professionally formatted designs, including brochures with built-in panel layouts, preset fonts, coordinated colors, and placeholder sections that guide your content. In the search box, type brochure. This search term surfaces a variety of brochure formats, and many of them are specifically labeled as trifold. You'll see thumbnail previews that make it easy to spot landscape layouts with 3 columns per side. As you browse, pay attention to the tone each design conveys: clean and modern, bold and colorful, or minimal and elegant. So you pick one that matches your purpose. Templates often include suggested headings and image areas, which can help you plan what goes on the front cover, the back panel with contact details, and the inside panels for your main information. When you find a style you like, select a design. Word will open a new document based on that template and display the brochure across multiple pages to represent both sides of the paper. Most trifold templates include guidance text and sample images, so you can visualize where each panel will fold and how the front, inside, and back sections relate. This structure keeps text from drifting into fold lines and ensures the layout lines up correctly when printed double-sided and folded. As you move forward with your chosen template, think about concise headlines, high contrast colors for readability, and images with enough resolution to look sharp in print. Keep essential details on the front and back panels, and use the inside panels for your story, features, or menu items. With the right template selected, you're already well on your way to a polished trifold brochure in Word.